If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To open a separate visual instance of a workbook's data model that you can manage in Excel, click the Manage button in the Data Model button group on the Power Pivot tab of the ribbon. Alternatively, click the Manage Data Model button that appears in the Data Tools button group on the Data tab of the ribbon to open this same window. Note that if you click this button before enabling the data analysis add-ins in Excel, which include Power Pivot, Excel offers to enable the add-ins for you at that time. To enable the data analysis add-ins at that time, click the Enable button in the dialog box that opens to tell you this. The ribbon within the Power Pivot for Excel window that opens has 4 tabs: File, Home, Design, and Advanced. Below the ribbon is the formula bar within the Data Model window. Below the formula bar is the data view of the tables in the data model. In a separate pane below the data area is the calculation area. Below the calculation area, the names of the various tables in the data model appear as tabs. You can click these tabs to switch between the tables in the data model. A record set navigator for the currently selected table also appears at the bottom of the window. You can click the buttons in the record set navigator to move back and forth through the records in the selected table. In addition to the data view of the data model in Excel, you can also view the diagram view of the data model in Excel. To view the diagram view of the data model, click the Diagram View button in the View button group on the Home tab of the ribbon within the data model window. This view lets you see the tables in the data model as diagrams that show the links or relationships between the fields in the tables. To create relationships between tables in this view, click and drag a field from one table and then drop it onto the related field within another table. To edit an existing table relationship, right-click the relationship line shown between the two table fields, and then select the Edit Relationship command from the pop-up menu that appears to open the Edit Relationship window if needed. Alternatively, to delete a table relationship, select the Delete command from the same pop-up menu. Then click the Delete from Model button in the confirmation dialog box that appears to delete the relationship if desired. To toggle the view back to the Data View when finished, click the Data View button in the View button group in the ribbon of the Data Model window. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.